Hiriko folding electric car. Finding a parking spot in urban areas is tedious work, but what if I told you that you can fold your car and save up to 1/3 of the parking space? Yep, I'm talking about Hiriko, a 2-seater folding urban electric car. The unique ingredient of this car is that the driver and passenger can enter or exit via the front hatch or windshield. It features a lithium-ion battery that provides a maximum range of 75 miles and drive motors in each wheel, giving a top speed of 31 miles per hour. The actual length of Hiriko is 2.5 meters, which contrasts to 1.5 meters by folding upwards. The parallel parking is made flexible by turning each wheel to 60 degrees in the left or right direction. The approximate price of Hiriko is $16,400. Earth One, the fold-up electric car. Have you heard about an electric, eco-friendly, real-life transformer car? Earth One is a foldable electric car that looks to be inspired by Transformers. This shape-shifting car can be controlled via a joystick. Furthermore, its design consists of a huge opening cockpit and 2 large fins behind. When it comes to parking, it can be easily squeezed into small spaces and can fold itself up. When folded, it can rotate on its axis. The estimated price of this transformer-like car is £52,000. WaterCar Panther. Most of us are familiar with amphibians, but have you heard about amphibious cars that can be driven on both land and water? WaterCar Panther is marked as the world's fastest amphibious vehicle. It's designed as a Jeep with an engine that allows switching from rear-wheel drive to the jet pump propelling in less than 11 seconds. This transition is supported by a closed-cell foam flotation in water. It features a Chevrolet LS3 engine, giving a top speed of 55+ miles an hour on land and 45+ miles per hour on water. It gives a combined range of 456 miles on land and 114 miles on water. The estimated price of the WaterCar Panther comes to users at a pretty penny of $465,000. Mercedes Smart Vision EQ. Smart Vision EQ by Mercedes is a conceptual vehicle demonstrating autonomous driving with 2 seats. Its integration with Swarm Intelligence offers an advanced Level 5 autonomous driving system. Its design consists of an all-round vision with a 24-inch high-definition screen placed beneath the windscreen. It would feature a 30 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery that would offer a maximum range of 300 kilometers. The vision behind this conceptual vehicle is to make future mobilization simpler, more convenient, and more efficient. Peugeot Metromorph. Can you imagine parking your car on the wall vertically? Peugeot Metromorph is a conceptual car that can be ridden in the form of a horizontal pod and parked on the wall vertically. Its unique design consists of doors that open and lay flat on the roof, forming a scissor shape, and a robotic arm that rotates the driver and passenger seats for entry and exit at 90 degrees. The interior of the car is left hollow to use a balcony mode. Roewe I-Unit. Roewe I-Unit is the futuristic pod that can be driven as a single unit, or multiple pods can be merged to drive it as a vehicle. It can be operated using the app, and once the passenger gets in, they can be entertained via the large holographic display. Roewe I-Unit is an inevitable all-electric futuristic car with an electric motor in the front and a battery pack placed right under the floor. So in conclusion, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Comment your thoughts about which futuristic car you'd like to try out yourself, and stay tuned for more such videos going forward.